Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your iPhone 15. So on this device, of course, we don't have a Google Lens feature, so we have to do it by the other way. In the first step, open your web browser and go to the google.com. Now switch your web browser to the desktop site. Then click on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Then choose the source of your photo and pick the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now click the done and hold process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.